With one click, you will be able to remove the video background in CapCut and add any new background you want. And this also applies to photos, not just videos. Let's get started. So first of all, we'll import a random video clip and background for our project. Then add the video to the timeline by dragging and dropping, or just click the plus icon like I did. Now before we implement our first step, let me first mute the sound of the video. Now to remove any background of any video, first make sure your video is selected, and then at the top right, you'll see this cutout tab, so click on it. It will display two options here, chroma key and auto cutout. So they both do the same task. You can use chroma key if you have a single color background, where you can pick the color and then adjust the intensity. But in our case, we have to use the auto cutout option. And as a quick reminder, it only supports automatic portrait recognition. So I'm going to enable auto cutout. And as you can see on the right, it says processing. Once this percentage reaches 100%, the entire video background will be removed. Now let's see how we can add a new background to the video. First, let's drag the video to the top track, and then I'll bring this background here. I'm going to adjust the length so they're both in sync. And for the last step is to select both clips and create a compound clip. Now let's see the final results.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.